The video is all about human nose. 20 mind-blowing facts about the human nose that will leave you speechless. You will see one by one. Wow, fact number 1 on human nose. Really interesting. The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. Really, wow. Astonishing. Surprise. 1 trillion different scents. Just imagine. So human nose can detect so much. Your nose can remember and recognize thousands of different smells. So your nose can have memory power. So which can remember and recognize thousands of different smells. The average person breathes in about 20,000 liters of air through their nose every day. Wow, 20,000 liters of air per day by or through your nose. The size and the shape of your nose are determined by your genes. So it's one of the identical features or identification feature. So the size and shape actually varies from person to person. The tip of your nose is made of cartilage, which is flexible and helps your nose retain its shape. So it's a very peculiar kind of structure. The next one. The nose acts as a filter. So it acts as a filter, trapping dust, allergens and other particles from entering your lungs. So which actually acting as a protector of your lungs. The sense of smell is closely linked to your sense of taste. So there is a connection between sense of smell and the sense of taste. So there is a connection between nose and tongue, indirectly. A person's nose continues to grow throughout their lifetime. So this is another important organ which can continuously grow throughout their lifetime. The next one. The human nose is capable of detecting certain diseases and illnesses through smell. I can't believe this fact, really. So the nose acts as the nose is the primary organ responsible for the sense of smell. The function of nose is the sense of smell. It may be good or bad. It is responsible for this. The nose has a rich blood supply which helps to keep it moist and warm. So you have to keep your nose always moist and warm. This naturally happens by the blood flow or blood supply. The shape of your nose can affect your voice and the way you sound. So there is a connection between the shape of your nose and the voice and the way you sound. Different cultures perceive nose shapes differently and have varying beauty standards. The shape of the nose actually determines the beauty of the person. In various cultures, the nasal cavity produces mucus to help humidify and cleanse the air you breathe. So the mucus actually acts as a filter one way. It filters dust particles and bacteria and other organisms. The human nose can distinguish between thousands of different odors. So it can be able to smell or it can be able to differentiate variety of odors. It is really a wow fact. The nose contains specially nerve cells called olfactory receptors that actually detect smells. So these olfactory receptors are responsible for detecting the smells, both good and bad. Dogs have a sense of smell that is thousands of times more powerful than humans. That's why dogs are highly useful for in crime spots. So it can be able to smell. So they are much better than the humans. Your nose can detect pheromones, chemical signals that affect human behavior. So pheromones are natural chemicals. The nose plays a role in facial recognition and can help identify individuals. So broadly they used to help in identifying individuals normally and in crime spots. The sense of smell is closely linked to memory and can evoke strong emotional response. So emotion also connected with the smell. If it is good, the emotion will be good. If the smell is bad, the emotion will be bad. Thanks for watching a video on nose and smells. We will see in the next one. Bye bye.